This starts with a quote by Robert Louis Stevenson from The Strange Case of Dr. Jekyll and Mr. Hyde. It goes like this. Others will follow. Others will outstrip me on the same lines. And I hazard the guess that man will ultimately be known for a mere polity of multifarious, incongruous, and independent denizens. I allow the day to begin slowly. Traditional surroundings may seem trite, but they give me a chance to gather my forces, to collect myself, as it were. Once I am at full strength, I may begin to employ my strategy. Divide and conquer. They'll never know what hit them. Following the standard domestic practice of a shower, dressing, and a family breakfast, I go to work, choosing from among my Jag, the Infiniti, the Mercedes, the Porsche, the stretch Lincoln, if I don't feel like driving, and the 56 ragtop Vet, if I really do. Before I became famous, or what some call big, I was an attorney. The law was my training, and it was in no way restrictive. You can do anything with a legal degree. In this society, it's a ticket to ride, a key. It's an open invitation to the creative mind. Even then, in my formative years, I had an eye to the future. I wanted to grow. Memo: be fruitful and multiply. A direct quote from God. I obey. I am fruitful. I have multiplied. For example, I've made about 3 substantial fortunes as a player's agent in baseball, basketball, and football. I'm known as a very high-profile negotiator, or I could just say, I'm known. And knowledge is power. Power is money. Money is freedom. This is the great Mandela. Follow me now. I still handle a few cases in court, the ones that stimulate me. I go where the juices flow. It's all instinct. Today I'm arguing in favor of the First Amendment, freedom of speech. It's a first-rate rhetorical opportunity. My God, it's a gift. There isn't an empty seat in the courtroom, and I know they're all there to hear me. I summon the muses, shake down the thunder, make an impassioned plea to the jury on behalf of my client. I have no real interest in him. He's just a vehicle here. I have no idea if he is innocent or guilty, nor do I care. That's not for me to decide. This isn't about justice or even the law. This is about me. Memo: fame is like nuclear energy. To release it, I need it only to split. Myself. I give a performance that nearly brings down the courthouse. I break hearts and bend minds. The verdict is a foregone conclusion. The case revolves around art and pornography. I have spoken on the right, the duty of the uncensored expression of human nature, all of it, the good, the bad, and the unthinkable. Nothing human is alien to me. I insist on it. In one brief summary, I revive the lost art of persuasion. When I am done, the jurors are fairly aching for their chance to act as instruments of justice. They set my client free and ask the judge if he may sue for damages. They want to shake my hand. Memo: avoid making choices. Never settle. Take everything. Set the terms. Later, I am interviewed on tape for TV, not because of the trial. The trial was a sideline, a chimera, a diversion, an exercise. I'm interviewed because I'm a celebrity and people want to know what I'm up to. And it had better be good or bad, nothing tepid. People yearn for sensation. I rise to the occasion by hinting at a dark secret in my past, one that involves murder and intrigue, possibly the passage of national secrets. When pressed, I respond that I really can't talk about it, since to reveal any more could destabilize governments, jeopardize the lives of countless people. It might even threaten the New World Order. I declare my fierce, lifelong loyalty to my country and end the discussion.